Hello there, Sabish Bears. It's Fridley here to talk to you about your all school assemblies. Once a month, something wonderful happens. Over 400 of the greatest people in Fond du Lac gather to share major announcements, give recognition awards, and discuss important concerns, and challenge teams to competitive activity. You are one of those important people, and now is the time. Sabish Middle School assemblies are a time for us to bring together our Sabish school community and show support for our achievements and accomplishments. As we gather in the gym, it is important that each student find their successful spot. We want each student to be able to participate in the assembly by hearing and seeing what is going on. Eighth graders are sitting in the bleachers, while the sixth and seventh graders should be sitting on the floor with their classes. Students should be sitting in their assigned spot and remain in that position. Each student should be sitting in a spot where they can give eye contact to the speaker, showing respect to what is being said. Students should make good choices when deciding who they are sitting next to. Sometimes it is a person next to us who is a distraction, causing us to miss the important information. Walking around during a presentation of any kind is disrespectful to the speaker and a distraction to those who are choosing to be attentive. It is not necessary for students to get up and use the restroom or get a drink during the assembly. The program is usually quick, and students will have plenty of time to take care of business when the assembly is over. During the assemblies, students should be at a voice level 0 unless they are asked to respond or participate in the presentation. We are getting together because there is important information to share and announcements to be made. Again, talking is disrespectful to the speaker and a distraction to those that choose to listen to what is being said. The schedule for the all school assembly is very tight. There is not a lot of time in the program to allow for distractions of any kind. Every time there is a distraction, such as a student being redirected to sit down, asked to stop talking, or asked to keep their hands to themselves, we take away from the message being shared at the assembly. The assembly will move along quickly if we can all work together and respect the time dedicated to the presentation. Sabish staff is monitoring each student to make sure these expectations of the assembly are met. Adults will be among the students to make sure we are all able to be respectful during the presentation. The all school assemblies are a place for us to show support for each other, students and staff alike, share announcements, recognize our successes, and support our many achievements. This is our place. This is our time. Respect the Bears' Den.